Hey, ever feel like you're on the outside looking in, watching others absolutely kill it in the digital marketing space, wondering how in the world is this even possible? Can I do this? The answer is yes. It's not a secret club. It's not rocket science. In fact, all you need are the skills of an average teenager to get started. It's all about making the right next move, learning these simple high-income skills. And the most important thing, you just gotta start. The course in my bio link will equip you on all of the above and more. It's not just an online tutorial. It's a comprehensive $497 investment in your future. You'll learn the basics to get started and the building blocks to become a digital marketing strategist and work your way to digital product expert. Guys, you can do this. I'm here to help. If you will show up, invest in yourself, and do the work, I'll roll with you. I believe this is your year. Let's get it.